Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with RE/MAX, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what budgeting means in the context of real estate. Define your financial goals clearly. Consider both short-term and long-term objectives. Create a comprehensive list of your income sources. Include your salary, rental income, and any other earnings. Next, outline all your expenses. Categorize them into fixed and variable expenses. Fixed expenses may include mortgage payments, property taxes, and insurance. Variable expenses can encompass maintenance, utilities, and HOA fees. Now, calculate your total monthly income. Subtract your total expenses from your income to gauge your cash flow. Identify any areas where you can cut back on expenses. Consider setting aside a portion of your income for savings. Next, incorporate a system for tracking your budget. You can use spreadsheet software, budgeting apps, or traditional pen and paper. Set a timeline to review your budget regularly. This could be weekly, monthly, or quarterly based on your needs. Seek tools and resources offered by RE/MAX for additional guidance. Check out their financial planning seminars or online resources. Stay flexible and be prepared to adjust your budget as necessary. Life changes can impact your financial situation. Revisit your financial goals periodically to ensure they still align with your current situation. Always maintain an emergency fund for unexpected costs. Consider consulting with a financial advisor for personalized advice. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to successful budgeting with RE/MAX. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.